Alright, what up though? I'm here at this food truck. He finna tell you all about it. Hold on. What's your name? What's your business is?
So we're DA, Only Gyro, the Only Gyro. So we're a food trailer company. And so we make Mediterranean food. Gyros, chicken, we got everything is homemade, everything is nice, everything's delicious. Can you scan this QR code? You wanna follow us? It's a menu, has everything on there. This for you.
Gotcha. See, nice, friendly. One man show back here, he by himself. When I get the food, I'm gonna show it to y'all. He cook right in front of you too. Nice little food truck. Get a little look for the menu. He got posters out. Food. You know what I'm saying? I got a menu right now. Alright, when I get the food, I'm gonna be back. What up, dog?
Hey, y'all. How you doing?
Bite. Like we never left, but we left and came back. And I went to the food truck. She's going to insert a clip somewhere in here.
I inserted it quickly. Do you like the way I inserted it?
That's what she said. Come on now. Let's be serious now. It's called the Only... Wait a minute.
I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, the Only Gyro. That's the name of the place. The Only Gyro. It's on
Wilma Rudolph
Boulevard. If you know, you know. So if you're around town, this town.
So tell them what you got today.
I got the...
She needs the menu.
Oh, no, I don't. I got an extra loaded fries. Regular. The Gyro fries. Yep.
Ebony. Thumbnail?
Extra loaded fries.
You like the Gyro meat?
Now, my wife took forever to get to the house.
I told her I had business to take care of.
So we got to keep that in mind. And that's baklava. Anytime you go to a Mediterranean place, try the baklava because it's probably fire. Here, you can eat the fries first. You know what you doing with the fries? So this is white sauce and tzatziki sauce. I told her to put it on the side because I didn't know
how she was going to like it.
I was going to like it.
Oh. Y'all want a bite?
You didn't know nothing. I'm guessing the white sauce is ranch. And then you have the tzatziki.
Okay, this one.
Oh, no. Oh, I don't worry about it. That's them. Like them. Fine, boo. I think the Gyro meat good. Season. The onion.
Yeah, so it looks like it has grilled onions and Gyro meat, cheese, and fries. That's about it, right?
Yep. And then they come with the you get white sauce or tzatziki sauce spread on them. What you need?
This one is the white sauce.
It's ranch. AKA ranch. That's tzatziki because you can see the cucumber in it.
I like the white sauce better.
Let's go bite. I'm sorry.
Haha.
Let me try the tzatziki.
Get my own. She keep getting the sauce on her.
Bam!
I'm wearing a black shirt, got white dots.
How y'all doing? What's for dinner? Comment down below. Shout out to the Only Gyro. If I remember, I put that in social media on the in the description box. That's good. Dang, 2512A Wilma Rudolph Boulevard.
Oh, that means they're always there.
They said, yeah, okay.
It ain't on me.
They said Subway was gonna be closed for a week for remodeling. So he's gonna take all their business for the week. And this place be. Fries stood up the test of time. All fries stood up. He took forever. Fire.
Just eating the tzatziki sauce itself was not my favorite dish, but
Was that a word, favorite dish?
eating it with the fries and the meat and everything, that's not bad. And I don't think Ebony's going to use it, so I'm going to set it over here so I quit dripping
I
everywhere.
ain't really doing no sauce. I really just been eating.
It does look really cheesy.
What, these? Because he put the fries down. Let me tell you how he do it. I should have made a video, but I didn't. He put the cheese, he put the fries down, put the cheese down, put the Euro meat down, put more cheese down.
I thought you said you were going to take a video.
I didn't.
So you can't send her to do nothing by herself, huh?
I got the food. And I talked to somebody who said if it's anything like the one in Nashville, it was going to be good. And he was correct. Because these is fire. They got wraps. He put his burritos on the grill and everything. I'm telling y'all.
So I will probably go ahead and put the menu in right here.
That's good. Shout out to all our new subscribers. Thank you for coming through and watching with us. Shout out to all the OG subscribers. You know we appreciate y'all all the time. Keep following us, liking us, sharing us on our social media. We appreciate y'all.
We keep growing as we keep growing.
On the road to 1K. We are on the road. We are on the road. Hey, hey, we are on the road. We are on the road.
She get mad when I do other people's
Hey,
stuff.
hey, hey, who is that? Comment down below. But I say, who is that? Down the copy down below. Comment down
Now
below.
you done pushed it up on your neck.
I just give up. It's just, I shouldn't have worn black in this video. But I love carbs.
It's that good
That's
she's
carbs.
getting food everywhere, right?
I love carbs. Hence the fries. Carbs. This is good. This is really good. 10 out of 10.
What was the ticket on it?
10. So I got the loaded fries. It's $12.41. The taxes were $1.21, and I tipped them some money. I ain't gonna tell you how I went. So the total.
All we needed to know was how much the fries was.
The fries is $12.41.
Everybody's tax is different.
Down, boy. I got a dog for sale.
That's what he looked like.
I ain't sneezing.
No, I think he finished his treat too fast. He didn't chew his treat.
I sound like a sneeze to me. I'm done with that sauce. Okay.
Baklava time.
Well, you took out the water over there.
Well, I didn't want to sit right in the middle.
Shout out to the Memphis Grizzlies. I don't know what the series is. I know they're playing the Lakers.
Them grilled onions is caramelized. I'm like,
Fire. We'll be back. There's some more things I want to try off this menu. Oh, you want your own. You don't even know what that is.
what? Baklava is phyllo dough. You're more of the baklava fan than I am.
No, I said, I don't know what you tried it. Oh, no, I'm sorry. You tried it. I like it. It's good.
It's different because I've never seen it in rolls. I've always seen it in triangles.
Yeah.
But it's got the nutty, sugary stuff in the inside, and it's got the flaky phyllo dough, and it looked like a little bit of chocolate sprinkled on top.
It's good. I like it.
It tastes like cinnamon and sugar with the nuts in the middle.
That's good stuff right there. 10 out of 10. Let's try it again.
Wi-Fi. I said his name. My bad. I was trying to let you know who was back there.
So, we give the Only Gyro
Stamp of approval.
Eating with swag. Go holler at them. Tell them Eating with Swag sent you. Fire. They got plates. You can mix your meats up if you want chicken
And
gyro
gyro
meat
meat.
and shrimp. Everything. You can mix up everything. They got different types of protein. They got shrimp and chicken and gyro.
Just go back to where I showed the menu and pause it, and you can see it. Check it out.
I don't want to eat all the meat up.
You can eat all of it.
fried.
No, I think it's an even amount of meat versus fries. You don't think so?
I don't think you picked all the meat out.
You think I picked up? Maybe that's why I think it's an even amount. I don't know what she's eating over there.
Fried.
I've been worried about myself.
Oh man, that was good. Go get y'all some of that. It's all in the area. Y'all better get y'all one of these. What's that? Loaded fries. We hope y'all enjoyed this video, this review video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, share us out, tell your mama and them, grandmama, auntie and them what we doing over here in these YouTube streets. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that post notification bell so you will know every time we upload a great hit. Every day you wake up, it's another day for what, babe?
Greatness.
So, until the next video / review,
See you on the flip side.
peace.